Hey there viewers, welcome back to another episode of VGAPR Garage. Today we're working on this 2014 Jeep. That's not right. Where does it say Patriot? Either way, it's a Jeep Patriot. So the issue that this Jeep has is it doesn't have heat. And I should be more specific. This is for the higher trim models because I believe for the lesser trims, this actuator is controlled by a cable. And this is controlled by an electric actuator from a knob on the climate control. So to be able to get to it, you need to remove this panel directly out of the steering wheel. And it's pretty easy. It's just 2 Phillips head, or maybe like a 7 milli. Let me get in there. That one. And I'm having a hard time seeing it because you guys are actually right where I need to be, but it's winter time and I want to show you how to do this because I'm sure that this might be a common issue. Alright, so now the panel comes out. Now, up in there, and I think we're going to remove this too just for viewing. To do this job, you do not have to remove this one, but to view, we're going to go ahead and remove it. Again, just some simple Phillips. There we go. I got it out. So now we can see up in there, and I'm going to move you guys again up a little bit closer. So there's your motor right there, your actuator that controls the hot and the cold. Now we're going to go ahead and turn the vehicle on, and I'm going to show you that that motor is not turning the door. I think we can do this without, nope, gotta have this vehicle on all the way. Alright, we're going to turn it down because we don't want to hear air. So now I'm turning the knob for hot and cold. Oh, nope, that's for the vent. Turning the knob, and absolutely nothing happens. Nothing at all. There's also a chance, I wish this could come up, but it can't, that this thing right there is stuck. The arm, let's try it now. Nope, nothing. So what we're going to do is, and I don't know how well I'm going to be able to show you guys this. What I'm going to do is pull the screws out that hold it in. There are only 3 that are holding it in, but I can't have the camera in here and show you guys. But there is an electrical connection up there, but I'll show you guys once it's all out. So I got it out. There's only, in this one, 2 screws, and this is what I thought was the problem. Let's go ahead and turn the knob, and it works. What I think is going on in here is it got dry. The actual end of it is dry. This piece is supposed to come out. Sadly, there's something in the way for the track. So basically what I'm going to do, again I can't show it to you, I'm going to lube that end right down there with some lithium grease. Actually maybe not lithium grease, I'm going to lube it with probably silicone paste. I'm going to put that arm back in there, and hopefully that works. I really wish I could move this out of the way. I mean, realistically it does just snap into place, but I can't get it. Well, that came off. That's not what I wanted to do. Thank goodness this is my sister-in-law's car. But there's the track right there. And as you can see, the blender door, oops, let me move out of the way. So there's the track that it fits into. But as you see, the blender door does work. The issue is I think it just got dry. I'm gonna go ahead and lube it. So now I'm gonna lube up the arm to the blender door. I'll lube all this up in here. And then I'm also going to lube the arm. I'm going to reach over, you guys. Flip it up. Alright. So now, the fun part of putting this all back together when you're doing it, you want to make sure that the tab to the arm is back in the blender door. And I know my arm is literally just in your way. Alright, you guys are in the way. So now we got the screw, I put the screws back in. You got one there, and then one further up in there, and then there's an alignment tab that's shaped like a T that you put it all into. It's not that hard. Sorry I couldn't show you. Next step is, we're gonna turn on, see if it works. And I would say that there is gonna be heat in this vehicle. Do it a couple times just to make sure. Alright. I'm going to leave the vehicle running and make sure that there is still heat getting into it. And I feel heat coming out. I gotta put this thing back on. I did break one tab off, but it should go back on. Oh. There we go. And then Alright guys, so that's how you basically, lube up this motor. The motor I think I bought on Rock Auto for $25, was not a bad deal. If your motor's messed up, it's a simple connection clip that you have to undo to attach a new one, make sure it works. I would recommend lubing it up. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down, let me know why. If you have any questions and comments, put them down there. I get back to everybody. Please think about subscribing, think about sharing. Don't forget to hit that like button, all that good jazz. Clean your tools off, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.